move on to bit 4. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. And 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So here let 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. So 5a plus b is equal to 2. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Now second one, 6a minus 3b is equal to 1, equation 4. So now I have to solve this. Which method? Method of elimination. Easier than other. So now here b 3b. I have to multiply a non-zero constant. So that non-zero constant is 3. So now equation 3 into 3 implies 15a plus 3b is equal to 6. This is equation 5. Now equation 4 into 1, 6a minus 3b is equal to 1, equation 4. Now opposite sign, so we'll add it. Now adding equation 5 and equation 4, we will get, what will get here, add, cancel. Now 21a is equal to 7. That implies a is equal to 7 by 21. That implies a is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Now we'll put the value of a. Putting the value of a in equation 1, we will get what? A is equal to 1 by 3. So 5 into 1 by 3 plus b is equal to 2. That implies b is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. That implies b is equal to 6 minus 5 by 3. That implies b is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have the value of a and b. But a is what? 1 by x minus 1. So 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a is equal to 1 by 3. That implies x minus 1 is equal to 3. That implies x is equal to 3 plus 1. That implies x is equal to 4. Now 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b is equal to 1 by 3. That implies y minus 2 is equal to 3. That implies y is equal to 3 plus 2. That implies y is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 is the required solution of bit 4. Now move on to bit 5. What is given? Let us see. 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. Now 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. Okay. So your first equation, that is your 7x by xy minus 2y by xy, like this is equation 1. This is your equation 2 is equal to 5. That implies your x cancelled, 7 by y minus y cancelled, 2 by x is equal to 5. This is, let's say, equation 3. Now second one, 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. So that implies your x cancelled, 8 by y plus y cancelled, 7 by x is equal to 15. Now this is equation 4. Now let 1 by 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Now let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So here equation 3, 7 by y is 7b. So 7b minus 2 by x is equal to your 2a is equal to 5. Now your second one, 8 by y, 8b plus 7 by x plus 7a is equal to your 15. So this is let's equation 5, this is equation 6. Now here 7b, 8b, 2a, 7a. So we have to solve and to find out the value of a and b by any one of the algebraic method. So let us choose the method of elimination. So now elimination, let's say a will be eliminated, here multiply 7, here multiply by 2. A non-zero constant will be multiplied. So now equation 5 into 7, that implies what? 49b minus 14a is equal to 35. Yeah, equation 7. Now equation 6 into 2, that implies 16b plus 14a is equal to 30. This is your equation 8. Now adding, we add minus plus opposite side, so addition. So adding equation 7 and equation 8, we will get what? This cancel. So this is 65 b is equal to 65. That implies b is equal to 65 by 65. That implies b is equal to 1. Now putting the value of b, in equation 1, we will get what? We'll get equation 1, putting the value of b. So 7 into 1 minus 2a is equal to 5. So equation, this is not equation 1, but equation 5. Equation 5. This is equation 5. So now that implies 7 minus 2a is equal to 5. That implies 2a is equal to 7 minus 5. That implies 2a is equal to 2. That implies a is equal to 2 by 2. That implies a is equal to 1. But the value of a and b is not the required solution. We have to find out x and y. So let us see how to find out x and y. So our 1 by x is equal to a. So 1 by x is equal to a is equal to 1. That implies your 1 by x is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to 1. Now second one, 1 by y is equal to b is equal to b, how much? See, 1. That implies 1 by y is equal to 1. That implies y is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is the required solution of bit 5. Note it down. Now move on to bit 6. So given 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy, 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. So okay, so 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. This is your equation 1. This is your equation 2. So that implies 6x plus 3y by xy is equal to 6. That implies 6x by xy plus 3y by xy is equal to 6. So xx, yy cancelled. That implies 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6. This is the equation 3. Okay. Next one. So 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. That implies 2x by xy plus 4y by xy is equal to 5. Directly I have done, omitted one step. Okay. So x cancelled. That implies 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. So 4. Now let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So equation 3, 6 by y, 6 by y. So 6b, so 6b plus your 3 by x, so 3a is equal to 6. This is your equation 5. And second one, 2 by y, so 2b plus 4 by x, so 4a is equal to 5. Equation 6. Now here, see, we'll solve this by the method of elimination. By multiplying 3 here, we can equalize it 6b. So 3 is the non-zero constant term which is to be multiplied. So now equation 5. What equation 5? 6b plus 3a is equal to 6. Equation 5. Now equation 6 into 3. 6 into 3. So 6b plus 12a is equal to 15. Equation 6, 7. This is a 7. Now subtracting equation 7 from equation 5, we will get, what will get? Minus, minus, minus. So this is cancelled. Now it is minus 9a is equal to minus 9. That implies a is equal to minus 9 by minus 9. That implies a is equal to 1. Now putting the value of a in any equation, you can write equation 5. In equation 5, we will get, what we will get? Okay, 6b plus 3a, 3 into 1 is equal to 6. That implies 6b is equal to 6 minus 3. That implies b is equal to 3 by 6. 3 by 6. Okay. Now that implies b is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. But these are not our required solution. We have to find out x and y. 1 by x is equal to a. So 1 by x is equal to a is equal to a 1. That implies 1 by x is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to 1. 1 by y is equal to how much? B is equal to 1 by 2. That implies here 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2. That implies y is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 is the required solution of bit 6.